So here we have another childish low-grade manipulative piece of propaganda from Peter Joseph. As usual, he describes the current fucked-up statist system as free markets in order to offer as a solution yet another statist system, this time supposedly scientific. He preaches to his audience that they must never study economics and hear what the economists are really saying, because this is outdated and dangerous dogma. Instead, they simply have to watch his childish documentary with all the gremlins and sarcastic non-argument jokes to have the complete picture of what's going on. Reading what his criticizers have to say is waste of precious time, because Peter Joseph says so and he has no interest of lying to us about that. The parallels with the creationists demonizing the evolution theory as being outdated dogma are obvious. His objective is to manipulate all the desperate victims of the current predator system by promising them an impossible paradise, so perfect, that any critique against it would be considered a sin. The follower should be brainwashed so deeply that the critique should cause them emotional pain as if someone is trying to kill their only hope. In other words, people will always tend to hear the good-sounding lie, rather than reality. Just like the followers of any religion or political party. Joseph clearly does not understand the difference between voluntarism and coercion. He lies that our market today has never been more free and the state is a parent corporation, which proves he does not know what those words mean and has not read anything from the evil economic books. The state is an institution of God-like people who have the right to initiate force against other people in order to steal some of their property through taxes and spend them as they see fit. Those people are selected from other people who cannot run their own lives but can vote on how others should run theirs. The corporation is a state invention which is used to protect certain businesses, giving them monopoly powers. That way the people are unable to vote away bad businesses with their lack of involvement with them because the state decides to bail them out with the taxpayer money. Do you see the parallels with this proposed system? Some God figure is going to make decisions instead of you claiming they are more scientific than yours. That is why Joseph furiously demonizes money in order to remove the value metric system which determines what is the cost of someone's labor and the deserved reward. He promises you a lot of free stuff and does not tell you what your duties in his system are going to be. A little hint is that you have to become selfless and to work for the common good.
What the common good is going to be determined by the state. You should follow the so-called natural law interpreted by central governing figure. However, if the natural law is the only true possible governing force, what are the scientific elite needed for? It is obviously a religious belief and an excuse for total government. It is also not clear if the human life is more or is it less important than the natural law or deity. This propaganda is designed to deceive you, not to inform you. An example is his deliberate use of contradictory claims designed to confuse people. While talking about the free market, he gives an example with a statist politician. This is contradiction. He says that the state is attacking countries to bring them free market. However, in reality the state is the main enemy of the free market. Pure contradiction. Then he states that the democracy statism brings is that of purchasing power, and obviously that is not the case. The statism brings the illusory power to vote for a person that forcefully redistributes wealth to a given interest group. The whole documentary is built from such contradictions. He is twisting reality in order to create a completely reverse picture which he then uses to confuse the viewer. If you still want to support this guy, just ask yourself, why are not there any discussions on tape between him and a free market school economist?